exchange of human emotions. It's ever so satisfying. And I'm saying my head, oh, and there is no man accidents that happen, follow the dot. Coincidence makes sense only with you. You don't have to speak, I feel emotional landscapes. They pass on me, the riddle gets solved, and you push me up to this state of emergency. How beautiful to be state of emergency is where I want to be. That no one sees, you see what's inside of me. Every nerve that hurts, you heal deep inside of me. Ooh, you don't have to speak, I feel emotional landscapes. They pass on me, I confuse. The riddle gets solved, and you push me up to this state of emergency. How darling, through the dark currents, I find an accurate copy, a blueprint of the pleasure in me. A secret code card, a secret code card. He offers a handshake, a crooked 5 fingers. They form a pattern yet to be matched on the surface simplicity. But the darkest bit in me is pagan poetry. Pagan poetry. Morse coded signals, a pulsate, they wake me up from my hibernation on the surface simplicity. But the darkest pit in me is pagan poetry. Pagan poetry. I love him, 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 I love him. This time I'm gonna keep it to myself. This time I'm gonna keep me all to myself. But it makes me want to hurt myself. my glove. I hide it under a blanket, lull it to sleep. I'll keep it in a hidden place. I'll keep it in a hidden place. Keep it in a hidden place. Keep it in a hidden place. Your flesh finds me out, teases the crack in me, smittens me with sound. Possibly, maybe, possibly, maybe. As much as I definitely enjoy solitude, I wouldn't mind perhaps spending little time with you. Sometimes, possibly, maybe. Possibly, maybe. Probably love. Uncertainty excites me, baby. Who knows what's going to happen? Laughter, you can crash, or you join a cult. Probably, maybe. Possibly love. This is probably, maybe. Possibly love. Possibly. Mon petit vulcan, your eruptions and disasters. I keep calm, admiring your lava. I keep calm.